As Russia tried to attack Ukraine's position with 2 leading tanks, with the best they got, Ukraine answered first with artillery or mortar rounds hitting close by. While the T-90M tank has superior armor compared to Russia's other tanks, they still have a lot of threats on the battlefield. The Ukrainians chose to deploy their #1 tank killer, the Javelin, as the T-90M tank had turned around to easier drive back due to the poor reverse speed. The missile hit the engine of the tank, causing an aggressive fire to break out, destroying the engine, leaving a large hole, leaving the tank on the battlefield to be completely destroyed by artillery or FPV drones, leaving one less tank for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.